Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. Here we are trading crude oil on August 31st, 2018 using the Trading123 AutoTrader. And in this video here, we're trading two contracts of the CL, and we have a $400 profit target. So as you can see here, we got the chart marked up. This yellow line right here is where we started the AutoTrader. You either started in a downtrend or uptrend, and then you catch the trend reversal. And that's exactly what happened here. The market got long two contracts, but the uptrend fizzled out. Little stop, then it gets short. We hit our first profit target, reverses here. We hit a first profit target, second profit target, so we're making money. And then the market really didn't want to sell off, so we get short here again on a trend reversal, and it gets stopped for a small loss, and then this trade goes nowhere, and then we catch our short and we hit our max goal, and it prints this green dotted line on the chart. So trading on a Friday with two contracts, we only need 20 ticks to make $400 profit, and that's what we got here on this first trade. So let's look at the next chart that we traded on crude oil on this day. And after we hit our initial profit goal, we waited till after 10 to start the AutoTrader here. And again, we're starting in a downtrend. This yellow line is where we started the AutoTrader. And we're trading two contracts of crude oil again. So we catch a reversal. The 10 to 11 o'clock time frame is a really good time to trade crude oil, because that's when you see the major moves. So that's why we don't wake up and start trading at 7 a.m. because the market just goes sideways and there's no volume. Volume comes in after 10, moves the market, and as you see here, we get long, and we get some nice gains here. This is our first profit target right here where it puts this green dotted line. This is our stop when we start the trade. It's pretty much a 14 tick stop. So we're long two contracts. Hits the first profit target, and then right at the second, we lowered our goal here to just above 200 because of the tight range on a Friday, and we hit it, prints the green line on the chart, and we're done trading on this particular trade. So that's two trades in a row on a Friday, and we're got the max gain of over $600. So after we hit our max gain on that second trade, which was right about here into the 10:30 time frame, this is when the market has a major move. We just restarted the AutoTrader, enabled it, and then enabled it. It takes a whole 5 seconds to activate it again. We're trading the same profit goals. This is where we started the AutoTrader. It's in an uptrend. It peaks out here over 70. AutoTrader gets short two contracts at 70.13, and down we go. We hit our first profit target, second profit target. Max gain goal is printed on the chart, and we just added another $200 to our profit. So in three auto trades, that puts us up $800 for a Friday, which is very good, and no losses. Although we did have small stops on the trade, but overall, on the previous trades earlier, overall, the AutoTrader readjusts, recognizes the trend, and goes with the next trend, and we get our profits back, and we hit our goals. Now, you often hear me say these are patterns that repeat each and every day. The major moves in crude oil happen between 9 and 11, and you can make 20 ticks a day. That's $400 profit on two contracts. Not hard to do, and the AutoTrader makes all the decisions for you, never hesitates. So if you enjoyed this video, like us on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. Any questions, go to our website, Trading123.net. Good luck with your trading.